What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are taking a look at the Bitcoin price on the 1 hourly chart to see if we break certain levels where the Bitcoin price can go in the immediate short term. Remember, it is Sunday, it is the weekend, the volume is not too reliable, there's not too much movement, so tomorrow's Monday, we'll see some more action. And also, we're taking a look at Ethereum. We did break out from this descending wedge, the resistance. Okay, there's not too much volume, so be cautious, guys. We might have a readjust here because the descending wedge can go all the way back to these levels. We'll be taking a look at Ethereum also, and the Bitcoin dominance, guys. We're having some huge hidden bearish divergence. This means that the trend might continue to the downside, taking the Bitcoin dominance, who knows, to 30%, 20%. We'll be taking a look at this. I've been taking a look here at the RSI here and the divergence, and it is quite reliable here for the Bitcoin dominance too. So we'll be checking this out in this episode. Guys, remember, if you are interested in trading, make sure to check out my favorite day trading platform, PrimeXbt. If you use my link in the description and Bitcoinsensus 50 as the promotion code, you're getting 50% in addition of what you deposit. My favorite swing trading platform is Bybit. The best bonus available is also in the description. And a massive thank you for my last video. I got 270 likes. Make sure to smash up the like button, guys. You'll be helping out the channel immensely. And subscribe if you're new, and hit that notification bell and click all here so you're notified on every single time I post a video. Said this, let's go straight into the chart. Hello there, Andy here, and welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I'm not a financial advisor, don't buy or sell anything that I say. If you do so, do your own research. Let's go straight into the video. All right, zooming in here for the Bitcoin price on the 1 hourly chart, we can see that we are getting some major resistance here around about the $36,000. It is the lower part here from this diamond reversal that we were mentioning here on the channel. And we did touch it twice, and we are going down. And we also touched twice this major support level, which is the lower part here from this candle with this huge amount of volume on the 1 hourly chart. So it's going to be very difficult to pierce through the back of this candle. And what I can see here is that we are creating a kind of double bottom scenario. This could also even be like a bear flag if we take this as the leg down, but there is not too much volume. Okay, we are coming from this huge leg up, so this wouldn't be too reliable. I'm going to remain a little bit more bullish because I see this as a huge retracement from this uptrend, okay, with this huge amount of volume in the middle of the uptrend, as you can see. So right, the bullish scenario here in the short term, remember it is Sunday. The volume and the movements aren't too reliable, but we can clearly see that this is major resistance, okay? And let's count this as a double bottom scenario. If we break this major resistance with some decent volume, such like this, or like this, or like this, okay, then we could potentially see the measured move from the lower part to the resistance, and we could have a measured move of all the way up to the $37,200 range approximately. This is going to happen, you know, potentially in between today and tomorrow, Monday, at some point. If we do break this resistance with some decent volume, you know, we could retest the support and even the resistance. This is taking us to the exact peak, okay, if we go to the 4 hourly chart of this symmetrical triangle that we've been taking a look for weeks. We broke down, we came back up, we broke back down again. So we can clearly see that we have some major resistance from these lower highs, as you can see on the chart, and these higher lows, okay, which this has been potentially a fake out, came back in, but there is some kind of resistance here at the support level of the symmetrical triangle. So now let's go back here on the 1 hourly chart. So this would be the bullish scenario in the short term, okay. The bearish scenario would be coming all the way down here to retest this level over here. If we do see this as a bear flag, okay, or a channel, we are clearly bouncing in between resistance and support. You know, there are two ways to measure move here, is getting from this resistance to the support, or from the top here of the leg into the flag, okay. And you know, from the breakout, we could get the pole, and from the breakout, or from the actual breakout of the flag, you know, this is the measured move of the flag from the breakout. You know, this takes us more or less to the same target, which would be just above the $33,300 range. We would definitely get some type of resistance, of support here, sorry. You know, we have a consolidation phase here on the 30th of May. We also have a peak here on the 8th of June. So there will be some type of support, here and consolidation movement. If we break down the $34,600 range. So this is what I got for Bitcoin in the immediate short term. Remember, it is Sunday, so the volume is not too reliable. I would wait for tomorrow to see some nice decent movements, and yeah, this is what I got for Bitcoin, guys, in the immediate short term. We could also come all the way down, potentially wicking down. We will get some type of bounce around this area. Okay, it is also the support of this descending megaphone pattern, so we definitely will get a bounce from these levels if we break the $34,700 range where we have this major support level. Okay, so this is what I got for Bitcoin. Let's take a quick look at Ethereum. Zooming in here for Ethereum, we can see we actually broke out from this descending wedge pattern. We didn't do it with a huge amount of volume. It is the weekend, guys. I wouldn't rely too much on this movement just yet. Let's wait for Monday tomorrow to see where the price action is going to go. We are still creating lower highs, as you can see on the chart. So if we do modify this descending wedge from the top here, if I connect here to these lower highs, we can also see that we haven't currently broken out properly from this kind of descending wedge formation, and we haven't broken out, like I mentioned, from this lower high over here. We still created another lower high, guys. We want to break out from the lower high. So in this case, it would be from this lower high over here, which is at the $2,450 range approximately, guys. So this is the next point where we want to break, so we can confirm, the actual trend reversal. Okay, we want to do it with some decent amount of volume. So this is what we're going to pay attention for Monday tomorrow. We could come as low also here, as you can see, if we can actually extend this descending wedge support, okay, all the way back here. We can see we have a little bit of volatility, a wick coming below here. We've got this other major support point, so we could actually come all the way down to the $2,200 level still, guys, still, okay, and still be in this kind of descending wedge formation till tomorrow. So this is something we're going to pay attention tomorrow, Monday. I'll be doing a quick update on this to see where we could potentially go in the short term, but we can see that $2,200 is major support. I do believe that this should hold very, very nicely in the immediate short term. If we break the resistance at $2,450, we could see some decent bumps to the upside. My first major target would be the $2,550 range, which has been, major support and a little bit of resistance right over here. It's been major support here, as you can see on the chart. So this would be my first target, the 2,550, as soon as we break this lower high over here. Okay, guys, this is the measured move that I have for Ethereum. Okay, breaking 2,450 all the way up, a decent leg up to 2,550, which would be the next major resistance, guys. So this is what I got for Ethereum. Okay, let's wait till tomorrow, Monday. The markets are open, then there's going to be more reliable movements. Let's take a quick look at the Bitcoin dominance, because the Bitcoin dominance, we know that it had a huge crash, okay, in the last couple of months, going, all the way from 60% of dominance all the way down to 40%. And now what I can see on this chart, with the RSI on the daily, that we are having some massive hidden bearish divergence. When we have hidden bearish divergence, we are creating higher highs on the RSI and lower highs on the price action. In this case, it is the percentage. And yeah, this means that usually, it is a continuation indicator when we have a hidden bearish divergence. This means that if we're coming from a downtrend and you have hidden bearish divergence, it is very, very likely that the trend will continue. This is the indicator. This is what indicates hidden bearish divergence. So I'll be looking here if it's going to be reliable on the Bitcoin dominance, because, maybe hidden, the divergence on the RSI are not reliable on this case on the percentage of the dominance. But it is, I've been seeing here, in July of 2019, the RSI dropping here, the percentage going up, and then obviously this is having a massive impact. The bears actually are gaining control here after the bearish divergence. Also here in the past, we can see in late 2018, we have the price going up, the percentage, going up, and the RSI going down and having a massive crash just after that. Also, I did see some bullish divergence right over here, where we see the percentage going down, the RSI going up slightly, and then obviously having a reaction for the bulls here and going to the upside. So the divergence, hidden bearish divergence or bullish, actually are quite reliable here on the Bitcoin dominance. So yeah, this is what we could expect. If also if we take a look from this point over here, the 60% level, 62%, okay, we can see the percentage right over there, and here the RSI. So we are already going above this level. So this is massive hidden bearish divergence. This point of the RSI is actually higher from this one also. So if we do go up here on the percentage of the dominance, we will have some insanely massive hidden bearish divergence where the percentage is going lower and the RSI is just going, to overbought territory in this case, we would say. So yeah, guys, I do believe that the Bitcoin dominance in the near future, I don't know if it's going to be months or, entering 2022, I do think that we will go to the 30, even 20% dominance, okay, just by looking at the chart and the sentiment of the market. This is what I got for today's episode, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to smash up the like button and subscribe. If you haven't checked out the Bitcoinsensus website, make sure to check it out. We've got the latest news and technical analysis, exchange reviews, so make sure to check it out, guys. The link is in the description. If you haven't seen my Bybit or my PrimeXbt tutorial, there's a video popping up on your screen. Massive thank you for coming in, guys, and I'll see you